It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Hey, what's up, you all? I'm out here in the grungy old garage. I just thought I would do a video on these Ryobi battery push mowers. So, bought this one back in 2021. I got two of them. This was 2021. I use this one a lot. It's nice having extra batteries. Bought a string trimmer this year. So that one we bought in 2023. So 2021, 2023, 2025. And I have to say, after all these years, these are great lawnmowers. If you have trouble with the mower, starting it up, you want to make sure you have a full battery or enough battery to start it up. If it don't start up, you check your key, or you check these pieces right here. And if these pieces are not upright, it will not start. So you want to check all that before you start it. It's super easy. All you have to do is push this button here, hold it in, and you hold this in until it starts up, and then you don't have to hold this anymore. It's hard to show you with one hand. But it's a great mower after all these years. This one I had since 2021. So I would say go out and buy one of these if you have a small to medium yard. So when you're done mowing, you want to let the battery sit and cool off before you put it on the charger. At least an hour. Then you can put it on the charger. It's time to charge the battery. All you have to do is load it up and it starts charging. Easy as that. So I got the battery in here. It's charged. You push this and it shows you it's got a full charge. So I'm ready to go mow today. I'm gonna put on my mowing shoes today. Yeehaw! It's Friday. It's a beautiful day. Let's get out and mow. Yeah. So I'm mowing the front yard today. So let's go. starting to get hot out here today. Make sure you have plenty of fluids.